Hey everyone, so I got this new wig from ILikeHair. It is their Kinky straight wig with Kinky 4C 4B edges. This is something completely new to me. I wanted to go ahead and try this out because I was seeing it in all these different advertisements, and look at how that looks in comparison. Once I move the comb underneath the lace throughout those edges, you can see so realistic. The lace is very high quality. I'm also going in with my hot comb to make sure that I flatten everything out. I'm not touching the edges on this. I'm just literally doing it for the rest of this hair before I go in and straighten this. It's going to give it that silk press type of look. I'm not going in and bleaching the knots, but I am going in with a little bit of foundation to make sure that it fits my color on my scalp. All right, you guys, I'm back with a new video. This is probably my most favorite wig to date, just because this wig that I was sent by ILikeHair is their natural edges wig. This is their Kinky straight unit. They also have a curly unit as well with these same edges, but I wanted a Kinky straight one because this would match me having just my natural hair being blown out. And they sent me a super long, really soft unit. I recently purchased on my own a unit from RPG Show. I'm gonna say that right now. And while everyone loved the wig, the hair itself, because it was Kinky straight, for some reason it didn't last for more than 5 months. Usually with my human hair wigs, they last for a couple of years. I've already washed this wig a few times. It still kept the same texture. It's still as soft as it was whenever I first got this unit, so I've had no issues. I will say though, whenever you're wearing this and you're obviously washing the lace, make sure that you have a hot comb handy if you're wanting to wear this more every day and you want to flatten it. Let's go ahead and get into the specs of this unit by ILikeHair. I've already shown you what's inside of the bag that they sent me as well, and I'm gonna kind of go in as a close-up right now. There's no baby hairs. Okay, as you can see, there's no baby hairs whatsoever done on this wig. I didn't have to. I use a little bit of Got2b glue just to lay everything down, but this also is glueless, so you don't actually have to glue it if you don't want to. I obviously prefer to glue mine down. But as you can see, everything looks really natural. Again, this is how my natural edges look. It's like natural 4C edges, maybe 4C, even 4B, I would say, for the edges, which it's not usually a normal thing. When I tell you I've wet this hair to wash out the Got2b glued at least 5 to 10 times over the past few days, because I've been using it almost every day, this unit now, and it reverts back to its curliness. So even if you straighten it, it still reverts back to this texture of it being that natural 4C texture, which is really nice. Usually you would think that, I guess, they manipulated it in a way where you can't revert back. So it's nice that even if you do straighten it, you'll still be able to get back to it. This wig is phenomenal. Like, I like how soft it is. I like the natural texture. I like the quality of the lace. It's really good. And this wig also really does come in at an affordable price in comparison to other hair companies that I've even worked with or that I've bought. I've mostly been buying from Hair BB and RPG Show, and those wigs are like $600, almost $700, and this is not even that. And they gave me a very lengthy wig, so let's go ahead and get into the specs of this unit. I'm super excited. So this is their Kinky Edges ventilated wig, and it's revolutionary Afro-inspired new trend. It's unique because it's a special technique that makes the hairline roots look seamlessly natural with its kinky texture. Also giving you a silk press type of vibe. Obviously, if you were to straighten your natural hair or to get a silk press, for me, this is how it would look. My natural hair is very thick and dense, so this is probably the straightest that my natural hair would ever even get with the silk press. So I personally don't usually, because I like how the lace is, I wouldn't really need to go in and put any bleach on it. The lace blends right into my scalp. I do that with just a little bit of foundation. Now, I usually like to have my hair behind my ear, so this is absolutely perfect. When I zoom in, you can see I have a little bit behind my ear, a little bit forward. It just blends in seamlessly with my head. I don't know, it just looks so realistic, and I can have this behind my ears. Everything just looks so seamless. Now, I haven't tried curling it yet, but again, straightened, also very seamless. So if you want to also buy this wig, you can use the code TL25 for an extra 25% off. And I'm pretty sure this isn't a 24-inch. Actually, this is 22 inches. And this is her Kinky straight unit. This is only $345. And you can use Klarna for $86.25 with 4 different payments. This has 5 stars and 150 different reviews. I swear these hair companies are just getting better, honestly, with their lace quality, as well as how natural things are looking for a cheaper price, because again, $700 to $1,000, it's a lot of money to spend on a wig that looks just like this. It's extremely, extremely soft. Like, you're getting everything that you need with this one unit. So the density is 180%. This is a 13 by 4 HD lace unit. And again, the edges are kinky edges and it has a ventilated hairline, so it's able to be very breathable and light. All that I have to say about this unit. I got into the specs. I kind of showed y'all how everything is looking. Alrighty, so that's it for this hair review. I hope that you guys liked it. Be sure to go ahead and check out ILikeHair in the description, as well as the direct link to this wig. And yes, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.